here's a little look inside East Bay Nursery in Southwest Berkeley, California. They have a nice stock of annual and perennial plants, and they also have some cool artwork that you can get to hang up in your garden, and a really nice pottery section with lots of different sized pots to fit your needs. They also carry some good trellising options for your climbing plants. There's a lot of different ornamental and fruit trees available, as well as some shrubs, and they have a pretty nice sized selection of cactus and succulents. Inside the shop, you will find their seed selection and all kinds of accessories and fertilizers, pest solutions, and more. And that is also where their houseplant section is, which had some good options for pet-friendly houseplants. And they also had some rare houseplants as well. If you're in the area, it's definitely worth a visit.